wanted to point out one thing to you. Now see, I didn't read the directions on this whole thing. I probably should have. Bad Joe. I want to show you anyways. Remember I had that styrofoam piece held in here so I could put this on? Well, if you run this sideways, there's a screw up there. You can take a little Allen wrench that comes with it. You can tighten that up. You can have this rod from here out come out straight, and you can tighten that one down. Now that will hold up against the wall far enough to allow you to be able to put this TV on that bracket. You know what I mean? Because they do say you should have help with this, but I'm doing this by myself. And I want to show you how you can do it too. So that's another way you can do it. And I probably should read the full directions. You know, I thought, okay, I can put that up there. But see, just that one step would have been very helpful. So I wanted to point that out. Now you may say, what keeps this up there? If somebody bumps this, how do I know it's not going to fall off? Well, on most units, there's a set screw or there's some sort of bolt that attaches onto this. And on this one, there's a screw right up in here. It's a little set screw that I put up there and tightened up with an Allen wrench. And that's on this bracket that kind of goes into the base. That way, it's assured that this can't be lifted up. The TV can't be lifted up and fall off of this bracket, because you don't want somebody hitting this and all of a sudden lifting up and the TV's coming down. So look at your directions and you should be able to figure that out one way or another. It'll be on the directions.